Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Ever wondered if your morning coffee could have that little extra oomph of professional flair without needing a barista degree? Well, buckle up, buttercups, because today we're talking about the ULTECHNOVO milk pitcher. This isn't just any old jug, it's your secret weapon for elevating your home coffee game. So, what makes this little guy so special? First off, the glass pitcher itself feels super smooth and substantial, perfect for channeling your inner latte artist. Seriously, you can practically feel the potential for those swan pours. And that wooden handle? Oh, it's not just for looks. It's incredibly comfortable to grip, like it was made for your hand. No more awkward, slippery fumbles trying to get that perfect stream. It genuinely saves you time and effort, which, let's be honest, is crucial before that first caffeine hit. But it's not just for fancy coffee drinks. This ULTECHNOVO pitcher is surprisingly versatile. It's lightweight and portable, making it a breeze to carry around. Imagine using it as a cute little sauce dispenser for your pancakes or a handy creamer dispenser for your guests. It's so easy to clean, too, thanks to that smooth glass surface. Plus, this pitcher is a real hit, with tons of happy customers who've already snagged theirs and raved about it. Forget those clunky plastic alternatives. This ULTECHNOVO milk pitcher is practical, stylish, and just plain nice to use. It makes the whole process, from frothing milk to serving, feel less like a chore and more like a delightful ritual. So, if you're ready to add a touch of cafe charm to your kitchen, this pitcher is definitely worth checking out. You won't regret it. If this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.